Dr. A.K. Balian, MD and CEO, Petronet LNG Limited. Esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Vipin Somdi, MD and CEO, JCB India Limited. Respected special guests, Mr. J.P. Rao, ex-Chief HR and MS, Recron Malaysia, and Kamal Singh Ji, Director General, NHR DN, Shivas Jaipuria, Vice Chairman, Jaipuria Group of Institutions, Dr. Rajiv Thakur, Director, Jaipuria Institute of Management, Noida, all the valued dignitaries, representatives from industry and academia, dear students and aspiring future managers. A very good morning to all of you. I am delighted to welcome you all to the 4th Jaipuria Annual Management Conference, JAMC 2014. In the pursuit of bridging the gap between academia and industry and carving out meaningful ways to the growth and development of both academic and corporate world, Jaipuria Group of Institutions has been actively organizing national and international level conferences on various themes of great significance in the past. Continuing this trend, this year, Jaipuria Institute of Management Noida has come up with JMC 2014 on yet another theme of prime importance in the corporate world, employee engagement, harnessing human capital. Dear all, in this Dalian conference, to unfold the intricacies of employment engagement, we are fortunate to have with us renowned galaxy of speakers from across industries. Beginning with the inaugural, we all aspire to hear with our chief guest, Dr. A.K. Balian, MD and CEO Petronet LNG Limited, who has led Maharatna like ONGC for 30 years in the past and now is guiding force to reckon with at Petronet LNG. He is also said to make the dream come true to Petronet LNG with its rapid growth on path of achieving a new vision of creating 30 MMTPA LNG storage and regas capacity by 2020. So once again, I welcome you to the conference. Our guest of honor, Mr. Vipin Somdi, MD and CEO, JCB India Limited, a member of the JCB's Global Group Executive Council, has his roots from companies like Honda Gensets and Tata Steels, which have been reaping the benefit of his contribution till date. Mr. Vipin is also actively involved with the Confederation of Indian Industry CII and is an elected member of the CII National Council. I will welcome you too, sir. Also a special guest we have today, Mr. G.P. Rao, ex-Chief HR and MS, Recron Malaysia, who has served reputed organizations like SAIL, JK Group, SK Birla Group and Reliance Group, and also Mr. Kamal Singh, Director General, NHRD Network, who has led All India Management Association, IMA, as the Director of the apex body of management profession, as esteemed speakers, whom we all would love to hear. I welcome you too for your participation. In addition to these, later in the day, we would also be fortunate to hear the eminent thought leaders of the likes of S.Y. Siddiqui, Chief Mentor Maruti Suzuki, delivering a special address, who due to some important personal commitment could not join us in the inaugural session, and many other luminaries across industries during the two distinguished panel sessions on sub-themes, leadership values and brand alignment, and employee engagement strategies and best practices. Before I embark upon my humble knowledge On the theme of conference, let me share a brief history of the Jaipuria education legacy, which began 65 years ago with the vision of my great-grandfather, Seth Anand Ram Jaipuria, by establishing the Jaipuria College in Calcutta. Since then, the House of Jaipuria has established 4 world-class campuses of management institutes in Lucknow, Noida, Jaipur and Indore. All the 4 institutes draw upon a mix of pedagogy focusing on learning through both in-class discussions, cases and simulations, as well as beyond the classroom learning through live projects, field projects, studies, regular interface and participation in various national and international seminars. The institutes offer AICTE approved 2-year full-time PGDM having equivalence to MBA by Association of Indian Universities AIU. Also, we run programs on PGDM service management, PGDM marketing, PGDM financial services and PGDM retail management. The institutes also offer variety of open and specialized management development programs for corporates through their well-qualified industry experienced pool of faculty members who are also actively engaged in consultancy assignments of both public and private sector organizations. Taking a lead further, in higher management education, Jaipuria Institute of Management Noida campus is now also offering doctoral programming in management PhD for professionals, academicians and management students in association with Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur. Jaipuria Institute of Management Noida is A grade NAAC accredited institute that ranks 8th amongst private B schools in North India by Outlook and 22nd by Business Today among top 95 B schools across nation in 2014. Dear all, organizations invest huge amount of time and money in recruiting and retaining employees. Yet, relatively only few recognize that the knowledge possessed by these employees is a critical source of competitive advantage for their business. Companies that fail to realize this can risk themselves for financial and personal losses that are hard to regain. However, those who are aware of the strong need of harnessing human capital, they invest and channelize all the possible resources in employee performance, personal growth and performance integration tied to corporate objectives, which can in turn tie resources directly to profits. Harnessing the enormous potential of human resources through the development of strong HR systems and organizational culture is a great challenge and a majority opportunity for human capital practitioners. Going by this opportunity, one of the most important tools in harnessing human capital can be regarded as employee engagement. Individuals' willing and ability to contribute towards company success to an extent wherein the employees go the extra mile and put discretionary efforts into their work, contributing more energy, creativity and passion on the job is what an engaged workforce is all about. Employee engagement is the level of commitment and involvement employees have towards the organization and its values. An engaged employee is aware of business context and works with colleagues to improve performance within the job for the benefit of the organization. While organizations seek to maximize the productivity and profitability of the employees, individuals strive for meaningless and satisfaction from their work. If both can be achieved concurrently, there is a true win-win situation. The positive impact of an engaged workforce can be realized across organizations if all the stakeholders work hand in hand towards the employee engagement initiatives in the organization. While the synchronized efforts are put together for this significant cause, one should not forget that the initiatives will start yielding results gradually and not overnight, paving the path for a sustained level of employee engagement in the long run. The eminent speakers on the dais are by far the best authorities on the subject and the theme of the conference. Hence, I would stop here and join you for the enriched listening with a quote from former Campbell Soup CEO, who rightly emphasizes the importance of employee engagement in harnessing human capital. And I quote, "To win in the marketplace, you must first win in the workplace," unquote. I congratulate the Jaipuria Institute of Management, Noida, and the organizing team of the Jaipuria Annual Management Conference, JAMC 2014, who are taking up this theme of employee engagement, which is of utmost importance to